Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to rename a document within your Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, a document that has been uploaded to the Google Drive. If you're not sure how to do that, click on the previous tutorials in order to see how that is done so we can have focus on this tutorial. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Google Chrome, make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now click on Google Apps, go to the Drive. Now I see a document that says heading code .docx. Right click the document. Let's now rename to document. Press enter or use the mouse, click on OK. And now we'll see the changes have been made. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, again go to Launchpad, go to Google Chrome, go to the Drive, and there we see the document that was initially called heading code, now changed to document. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.